Be talking about my Breville Lustra kettle in cream. Get into that cream. Oh, see that? Beautiful. So what I will say, I will give you a quick review on this item. In regards to important information, the kettle weight is 1.11 kg. The capacity is 1.7 litres. I believe this kettle is very modern and very stylish and would complement anybody's kitchen. It has a non-slip base, which of course is vital for health and safety reasons. The kettle also has a rapid boil, so it doesn't take long to heat up, as well as keeping the water warm for a longer period of time. And we all know that's very efficient. This kettle also comes with a very pretty LED light which lights up beautifully in the dark. I mean, come on guys, who doesn't love a beautiful LED light? Here we have the lid, very easy to remove, no struggle at all. And here we have the removable filter, which is also easy to remove and very easy to rinse. Guys, you know how important it is to rinse out your kettle and also rinse your filter. Another great component for this kettle is a built-in cord storage. As you can see, I can literally have my kettle as long or short as I would like it. Nothing worse than having an abundance of wires, and it's not safe either. So it took roughly 106 seconds for the kettle to boil completely. According to Google, it takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes on average for a kettle to completely finish boiling. With all that being said, I really do love and enjoy this kettle. I get plenty of compliments about it all the time. It's very stylish, it's very easy to hold. This kettle does come with the matching toaster, which is also just as fabulous. I will be reviewing that in my following video, but I will be leaving all the relevant information for the kettle in the description below so you guys can have a look and also enjoy. Bye.
Just makes me feel old. Never thought that we could become someone else's hero. Man, we were just in the food court eating out.